kids, good morning. For our mathematics subject, we're now on our third lesson and it's all about numbers in groups of tens and ones. But before we'll start with our lesson, let's watch and listen to this video first.
Hold up your hands and look down your nose. We're gonna look at numbers in the place value row. The ones are on the right, the tens are next in line. Move once more to the left for the hundreds every time. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Hold up your hands and look down your nose. We're gonna look at numbers in the place value row. The ones are on the right, the tens are next in line. Move once more to the left for the hundreds every time. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds.
Now, what did you learn in the video? Very good. The video is all about the place value of a number. Now, I'll be reading a problem to you that can be found on page 26 of your book. Alvin counted the pineapples he harvested with his father. He grouped them into tens. Now, the question is, how many did he count? So, I'll be showing you here the pineapples harvested by Alvin and his father. Now, let us count all the pineapples here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Therefore, there are 24 pineapples in all. Now, in number 24, as you can see, there are two sets of 10 pineapples here, which means that number 24 has 2 tens and 4 ones. Now, let us take a look with the group of squares here. How many squares do we have? Very good. There are 24 squares. Now, in number 24, we have two sets of 10 squares here, which means this is equivalent to 20 squares. And 20 squares is also equivalent to 2 tens. Ibig sabihin, dalawang tagsasampu ng square. Now, for these 4 squares here, this is equivalent to 4 ones naman. Okay, so if you can see in the number 24, number 4 is on the right side. Therefore, 4 is for the ones place value. And number 2 is on the left side. So, siya naman ang nasa tens place value. Now, for numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, these are called ones. Bakit ones? Because they have only 1-digit numbers. Okay? So, for ones, ito yung mga 1-digit numbers. For numbers 10 to 99 naman, they are called tens. Okay? So, again, 0 to 9, they are called ones. It's because they only have 1-digit numbers. And for 10 to 99, they are called tens. It's because they have 2 digits or 2-digit numbers. Now, let us take some examples here. How many squares do we have? Very good. We have 32 squares. So, in 32, there is 3 tens and 2 ones. As you can see, this is one set of 10 squares, second set of another 10 squares, and third set of 10 squares. Okay? So, pag 10's, ibig sabihin, 10 talaga yan sila. Nakuha? That's why we have 3 10's. And then, we have 2 1's here. Ito naman yung sobra. Si 1's yung sobra, si 10's yung nagsasampu. Okay, another example. How many squares do we have? Very good. There are 45 squares. And in 45, we have 4 10's. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these has 10 squares in each set. So we have 4 10's and then meron tayong sobra na 5. That's 5 1's. Nakuha ba? And always remember, 5 or 1's is always on the right side, going to the left, followed by 10's. And always remember, kids, numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are one-digit numbers and they are called 1's. While the numbers 10 to 99 are two-digit numbers and they are called 10's. Now, for you to understand more of our lesson, let us answer page 29 of your book. Count the number of 10's and 1's, then write the number in the blank. So how many 10's do we have? Very good. We only have 1 10's and how many 1's? We have 6 1's. For number 2, how many 10's? 3 10's and how many 1's? 4 1's. And the number is 34. Now for number 3, how many 10's? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 10's. And how many 1's? Very good. There are 5 1's. Now for number 4, how many 10's? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 10's. And how many 1's? Very good. There are 6 1's. Okay, next. Let's proceed to page 30 of your book. Write the number of objects on the line. So for number 5, how many triangles do we have? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each set has 10 triangles. So 5 sets of 10 triangles is equivalent to 50. Very good. For number 6, we have 4 sets of 10 squares here. So we have 4 10's or 40 and then meron tayong sobra na tatlo which is for 3 1's. So we have 43. Very good. Number 7, 51. And for number 8, we have 80. Very good. Next, let us go to page 32 of your book. So write the number of 10's and 1's for each number. So for number 1, 64, how many 10's? 6. And how many 1's? 4. Very good. Number 2, 18. We have 1 10's and 8 1's. Very good. For number 3, 27. We have 2 10's and 7 1's. For number 4, 34. We have 3 10's and 4 1's. Very good. And for number 5, 50. We have 5 10's and 0 1's. For number 6, 34, we have 3 10's and 4 1's. For number 8, we have 59. And how many 10's? 5 10's and 9 1's. And for the last number, we have number 9, 33. How many 10's? 3 10's and 3 1's. Very good. So before we'll end this discussion, for your assignment, answer work alone on pages 31 to 32 of your book. So that would be all for today, kids. Again, this is Teacher Juna. Have a good day and keep safe. Bye-bye.